Hey guys, how's it going? It is I, the real Randy Chavez, coming at you with a Tesla update stock video. Panasonic is putting $100 million into one of Tesla's factories. I think that's the one in Nevada that they're doing, whether it's an assembly line. I don't know 100% what they're putting that into, but it was big news. It didn't actually make the stock move today. The stock was down like a couple of dollars by the end of the day. You know, it went up like this. It went past 1900, I think, once or twice, and went down to like 18 something. But again, it's this is a very quiet day for it. Wasn't much moving for the market in general. Aside from Apple, Apple hit $2 trillion, which is insane. Apple just doesn't go down. COVID, yeah, a little bit, but no, Apple's insane. And I continue to believe, again, this is not financial advice. This is just what I'm doing. It's just my thoughts and my belief that Tesla is just going to be like Apple. It is going to at some point hit $1 trillion. At some point could hit $2 trillion. Tesla might not reach $3 trillion before Apple or Amazon does, you know, whatever. But they will reach that. They will be the first $5 trillion company, I believe. And they're so small right now. They're still, despite it being around 10 years, this is like the rebellious teenager stage, you know, like they, 10 years ago when they IPO'd, yeah, it's shot up to like between like 100 and 400. That's where it went for years. And then now it's like getting a little something, it's a teenager, right? Like, fuck you, I'm done with this. They're ready to go out and do things. And this stock only has, again, two factories that produce cars. Is going to double in size in the next 24 months, and again, we still haven't received S&P inclusion announcement, S&P inclusion, battery day. The split hasn't happened yet, although historically the stock does tend to run up before the split, but usually after. I'm going to say for a stock that had gone up 40% in 5 trading days in a row. Many people were expecting it to pull back, not just like $10, $50, like a couple of $100 people were expecting, and it didn't. It went up, consolidating. That's what I think it's doing. Maybe, the end of the week it'll pop up. I did have a bunch of Pokemon sales today. I had 2 separate deals. One deal with with the rest of them, kind of the smaller stuff, that equaled like $3,500. A bigger deal that I had is kind of like a almost a $20,000 deal. That one I'm getting paid slowly on it because it's all for a bigger deal, but most of that's going into Tesla tomorrow. Now again, it depends what it does, overnight and then, pre-market. If it goes up to like 1952 grand, I might wait, which is probably really stupid for me because I'm going against my own advice. I was like, no, can't time the market. But always just buy it when you can. I was hoping for a pullback. I don't think it's pulling back. I still think it will because this is so much growth for not a lot of pullback. But nobody's selling right now. Maybe once the stock actually does split, a bunch of people are going to take some profits. Like, all right, it split, retail investors coming in and, we'll take some profits. So maybe it does then. But again, we don't know when the S&P 500 announcement is. We don't know when the inclusion is. Most people would like it to be tomorrow to be announced because that would be 69 days since the last inclusion of another company, S&P 500. So that would be pretty fun. That would be like vintage Elon. Again, battery day too. And battery day might be, for more of us like nerd, like techies, but goddamn, after that, Q3 deliveries, then Q3 earnings, it is insane. I'm so excited. I can't wait for it. Anyway, guys, that is my video. Like I said, that's what I'm doing. I'm going to buy, hopefully 2 shares tomorrow, but see how it goes. All right. I love you all. I'll talk to you later. Bye.